already planted the chayote. It's planting time. Now I have to plan where they're supposed to go. Okay, this is, what's this? Oh, this is gourd, upo. Let's see where they're supposed to go. Another upo. Now I want to plant the loofah first. Here's the, oh, this is the bitter melon. Okay, I'll get it later. Here's the loofah. Okay, it's getting tangled with another loofah here. I have to untangle that one. More bitter melon. I'll put them aside. So I'm not going to plant them until later. I still have to put the another planter. Here's the loofah. Bitter melon. Here's the, oh, bitter, excuse me, oh, bitter melon. Hello? Hello? Oh, never mind. Ooh. Yes.
Okay, you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, were you inside the house about 5 minutes ago and flushed the toilet?
Yes, I did. Why?
Okay. Because I was downstairs fixing something and I heard the water went on.
Yeah, you know what? You locked the garden door, but you didn't lock the garage door. Okay, and here's some more gourd. I think I'm gonna have to put this, might be put in here. Might be a good idea to put it here. Okay, and I have quite a few. There you go. And just don't make a mess. It's hard to dig. Well, it's not hard to dig, but it's hard to dig if you're trying not to make any mess. Especially if the area that you're digging into is a tight spot. Not enough room. But if you can hear those quacking, those are geese flying around. They are noisy. Oh, here comes my husband. He's doing my sitting area. You got it all? Did you get it all? Did you get it all? Did you get all the bags? Oh, there's one more missing? Is there one more missing? Oh. Did you find it though? Yeah. She just finished resting. Yes, I know. Inside, and then I brought them outside to harden them off. What's this? This is the loofah. Yeah. I seeded this one, and I believe it was in. Oh, it was in December. Those are chayote. They look almost the same, isn't it? What? Yeah, I know. Maybe they are from the same family. While you're inspecting, that's Layla and Tiffany. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Bags are, I dug them out.
Yes?
All 3 bags have holes in it.
All 3 bags
So I
have...
guess, so I'm gonna need some help.
Okay, right now? Right now?
Take a rest right now.
Okay, you go take a rest. Okay, I still have 2 more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Okay, let's do the opal. This is... This one will be a lot easier to plant because they're a lot shorter. They have pretty good root, which is good. What time is it? It's already 12:19. I'll be going inside soon to maybe to have lunch. Is it this one? I don't want to water the whole thing because I still have to do some planting. I don't want to make any mess. hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye-bye!